Good day guys, today we're going to start talking about our windows for civil technology. Page already sets up our external walls of our building and our floor plan, and I want to go ahead and point out that this is definitely going to have a bigger window than this little space over here. Okay, and you'll typically find this either being in a living room or living space, and these smaller windows on smaller walls or even in the bathroom areas for ventilation. You'll note that it's very simple. I've got my walls in line. This is very important to realize. And windows also have window sills. But to start off with, we have to go ahead and cut the walls at a point because they've got to stop. And remember, we have to include our hatching for our walls. Because we have this side over here that I'm drawing as the inside, it will be in line with our walls. And the window has a window sill, so that is what I have in line. I'm going to go out about 1 millimeter or so. And extend this about 1 millimeter on the outside. Remember, this is all according to the scale that you'll be using. And I'm going to have my window sill stick out slightly on the outside. Note that the inside wall or the inside portion of the window is in line with the wall. Just remember what is below the window. There's still wall below the window, isn't it? Okay, so I have my window sill that's indicated as sticking out just beyond the external portion of my external wall, and now I have to go and place the actual window. Now what we're going to deal with is we're going to try and centralize it as much as possible to the wall, and we're going to indicate those two lines in between these two. So I'm going to try and get it centralized as best I can. Alright, okay guys, that's your external wall. You'll note that you'll also have a window code. Some window codes are quite complicated. For drawing purposes, some of you guys might want to indicate that this window code will be, let's say for instance, W1. Okay, and in indicating that that's W1, remember when the question asks you to draw a number 1 or number 2 or a window code type, you'll always stick to the size for the code. So if this code is indicated elsewhere, okay, in the building or on the floor plan, you need to note that this is going to be the size that you're going to be drawing a window. Now, in talking about that, when they're providing you sizes of windows, you need to note that they won't always give you the correct distance between the walls as a blank space between the two walls, okay, and go and find the middle of it. That is if they give you this size and move out from the middle outwards using that size, which means you'll then have to then take the wall and take it to the window. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope you have success.